5 daily habits that'll change your life. Exercise. We all know how important it is, but the key is finding what you enjoy doing. That way, you will stick to your exercise regime. Second pointer, hydration. Water definitely plays a huge role in health. Sip it throughout the day. Different forms of hydration like green tea, infused waters, tender coconut water, clear soups. Yes, all this would come into hydration. Choose what you love the most. Fruits and vegetables of different colors is the way to go. The last pointer, de stressing. Find what makes you calm, what keeps you collected. That is a key to health and wellness. For any diet related queries, personalized diet packages, do connect to Alamirap Nutrition 77 607 111 99. Thank you.